PayPal provides two convenient ways to access your account statements through a web browser or using the mobile app. For web browser access, start by navigating to paypal.com and logging in with your credentials, including two factor authentication. Then go to the Activity or Statements tab to access your financial records. From the Statements section, you can select your desired month and year, then download your statement as a PDF or export detailed transaction data in CSV or Excel format. The mobile app provides a streamlined experience. Open the PayPal app, go to the Activity section, and tap on Statements to access your financial records. You can select your desired month, choose your download format, and either save the statement to your device or share it directly via email. Both methods offer multiple download formats. You can download PDF files for complete monthly statements or CSV and Excel files for detailed transaction data that can be imported into accounting software. As of 2025, 65% of PayPal statement downloads occur via mobile devices, making the mobile app an increasingly popular and convenient option for accessing your financial records. PayPal statements are comprehensive PDF documents that provide a complete overview of your account activity. Understanding what they contain and how to automate them can save you significant time and effort. Each monthly statement includes transaction details with dates and amounts, fee breakdowns, beginning and ending balances, currency conversion information, and a comprehensive monthly summary of all account activity. You can automate your PayPal statement delivery to receive them automatically each month. This eliminates the need to manually download statements and ensures you never miss important financial records. To set up automation, first access your account settings by clicking the Settings icon. Then navigate to Notifications, enable monthly statement email delivery, and your statements will be automatically sent on the first of each month. Many users integrate PayPal with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks. This automation saves over 15 hours monthly on bookkeeping, reduces manual entry errors by 85%, and significantly improves tax preparation accuracy. For best results, download statements monthly to maintain proper audit trails. Use CSV format when integrating with accounting software, as it provides better compatibility. Set up automated delivery to save time and maintain regular download schedules to reduce errors and ensure complete financial records.